Hello guys, I'm here again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Server is busy, please try again later. Error code restrict area. Actually guys, most of the time this error happens when you are in restricted area. I mean the countries such as Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iran, or something country like this country. If you guys ask me what is the solution for this error, we need some DNS or VPN to change our IP address to bypass the PUBG. So if you wanted to know how to do that, please follow me step by step. Before starting the video guys, if you want to support me, please of course subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with your friend and put the comment for me to support me. So guys, first of all I will show you what is the main error, and after that step by step we are going to solve it with each other. As you can see guys, this is the actually main error, and after that we will close the PUBG. This app is used for iOS user and Android user, and because of I am in the iOS user, I opened the App Store and search 1111. I mean 41. When you type it, you can see 111 faster internet. So guys, first of all download it, because I've downloaded it before, I just open it, and after you open it click on the option and select wrap and touch the connect button. When you are connected, go back to your PUBG and test the app. So guys, as you can see, everything is okay, and we open the PUBG without any error.